I'm getting on live on YouTube to go over the BOI report that they're saying is required. Well, it is required for all business owners by the beginning, I believe it's due January 1st, 2025. So I wanted to come and bring this to all of our business owners' attention because it is a fee involved with it if you do not file this report by the deadline. And so what the BOI report is, it is a beneficial ownership information report. So you have to go to the fincen.gov website. And this website, you'll go in and you will file the report. I'll bring up the website so you can actually see how it looks. And we're going to go over some of the information because one of the things I wanted to review or to check on was the um the fines on the report and also and to show you where to find the actual information. And not only that, but to just go over what is included in the report as well, what the information you need and who is required to file this report. So those are the things that I wanted to get on and go over with you all today. So, this is the website right here, and make sure that you are in the correct website. So the website is fincen.gov. .gov. Make sure you go to the .gov section, okay? Because I don't want you all to be, to go into the wrong website or wrong website to file the report. Because you know that we have so many websites out there that are not correct. And so, what I went to first, just to verify the information that we've been receiving from everyone, is the brochure introduction to BOI reporting. So I'm reading here. I noticed this right here with the January 2025. So that's what I wanted to look at as well to see if this report is due on the 1st. And it looks like it is. If your company was created or registered prior to January 2024, you will have until January 2025 to report the BOI. Now, who has to file this report? That was another question that I had. Who has to report? So it says that companies required to report are called reporting companies. Reporting companies may have to obtain information from the beneficial owners and report that information to the FINCEN. But here we go right here to show which companies have to file this report. So your company may need to report information about its beneficial owners if it is a corporation, a limited liability company, a LLC. So if you went to the Secretary of State and filed your business, you are required to file this report. You're required to go to boi.gov and file the report by January 2025. And it is a fee. We're going to get to that fee. But if you if you have a business and it's not registered with the Secretary of State, you're not required to file this report. But if you have a business and it is a corporation or LLC, a limited liability company, you are required to file this report by January 2025. Now let's take a look at the fine. Okay, let's go back. So we took a look at the brochure. They gave you some really quick information. And now what I went to was the frequently asked questions, the FAQs. It's the next thing that will help you to get some information on exactly what is required of this report. And so what I did here when I initially went in to actually verify the information, I went in and I was looking at the penalty because I'm curious as to what the penalty is and who would have to pay this penalty and when will they have to pay this penalty. Okay, so here we see what penalties do individuals face for violating BOI reporting requirements. So right here, we see that as specified in the Corporate Transparency Act, a person who willfully violates the BOI reporting requirements, may be subject to civil penalties of up to $500 for each day that the violation continues. You guys, to my limited liability companies, my corporations, this is $500 a day. After January the 1st, this is how I read this. After January the 1st, 2025, if you have a corporation or a limited liability company and you have not filed this BOI report, you will be required to pay a penalty of $500 per day. So let's say you don't have it January the 1st, by the end of January the 1st. It's a penalty on the first. Then you get a penalty on the second. Then you get a penalty on the third, which, I mean, my opinion, I think this is a little, you know, I don't agree with it, but who am I? Who am I? And then not only that with the $500, you can also get right here, however, this civil penalty amount is adjusted annually for inflation. So as of the time of publication of this FAQ, this amount is 591. So it may not even be $500 a day. It looks like right now, due to inflation, it's $591 per day that you'll be paying. So yeah, let's get these BOIs out there. Let's get them reported. And it is very simple once you go in. And I'm going to go over the information that you need to include on the BOI report so you all can be familiar with it or know, what information you need to have in front of you when it's time to file this report. And so this is where you will go to actually file the report. You will go to file a report using the BOI e-filing system. This is what I used um, to actually file the report, and it was really simple. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to go over some of the information that is required, some of the information that you need to have in order to have in front of you to complete the report. Okay, so some of the things that they're going to ask for in this report will be, okay, your reporting company's legal name. So the legal name of your company. If you have an alternate name, like a trade name or a DBA, then you have to report the DBA name that's for the company's legal name as well. Your EIN number, your employee identification number, that number will also be included on the report. If you don't have an EIN, I believe that it asks for your social security number on there as well. I think it gave you that option. The country in which you're doing the business, you need that. The state of formation, so you need the state that you form the business in. You'll also need the address. So your business address, the city, the U.S. territory, your state, the zip code. So the actual business address, you would need that information as well. Let's see what else. Okay, so it also asks for the owner's information. So I think that's the purpose of this report is to gauge so that the government can start gauging who's the owners of these companies that they have out there. So you need the beneficial owner information. So you need the owner's first name, last name, the date of birth, the owner's address. You have to upload your license. So you have to upload your driver's license and you have to include your driver's license number or your identification document number. You can also upload your passport as well. That was another option that they gave you. The country, the state, and that was it. So it's pretty simple and easy to complete. That's the information I wanted to share with you today. And I look forward to helping you all in the future because I plan on getting on more often to be able to help our business owners, especially since we're coming up to the end of the year. All right. Thank you so much. And I didn't even introduce myself. I'm Shavis. I'm a financial analyst that works with home care agencies, and I help them increase revenue by 25% with organized accounting and financial strategies. So if you're interested or you need any help with your books, your financial reports, just let me know. I'm here for you. Thank you and wishing you much success in your business. Bye.